Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve the LS-0005 unable to contact patch server in Epic Games. So this error message pop up on your screen due to many reasons such as network connections on your device and server outage. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to switch to Google DNS. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung control panel, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. Dito lang sa upper right side ay click mo lang yung arrow na yan and select mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and sharing centers. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa ating view your active networks, so double click on your current active internet connections. So ito yung ginagamit natin na active internet connections. So select and double click ka lang. And then dito sa kanyang Windows status under dito sa general ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung properties dito sa baba. Makikita mo dito yan. So click lang yan. And dito sa ating networking properties, so dito sa desk connections uses the following items ay select mo lang dito yung Internet Protocol versions for TCP/IPv4. At dito sa right side niya mga kaibigan sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung properties. So dito sa kanyang Internet Protocol versions 4 properties, under dito sa general ay select mo lang dito yung use the following DNS server addresses. So dito sa kanyang prepared DNS server and alternate DNS server ay kailangan natin yang i-fill out. So yung una, ito yung prepared DNS server, ay kailangan lang natin ilagay dito yung 8.8.8.8. Ayan, so 4 na 8. And dito sa kanyang alternate DNS server ay lagay natin dito yung 8.8.4.4. Ayan, so ilalagay mo lang yung 8.8.4.4 and then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. So after dito, and then next step, so same dito sa disconnections uses the following items, ay select mo lang dito yung Internet Protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6 at dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung properties. And dito sa kanyang Internet Protocol version 6 properties, under dito sa general ay select mo lang dito yung use the following DNS server addresses. At dito sa kanyang prepared DNS server ay kailangan natin yang i-fill out. Okay, so ito yung ilalagay natin 4860 and then semicolon. And then same for 860 and semicolon. And then 888 na 4. Alright, so ito yung ilalagay mo 4860 semicolon 4860 semicolon 888. So, dito sa alternate DNS server ay ito yung ilalagay natin yan. So, same for 860 and semicolon 4860 and semicolon and then 8844. Ayan. So, yan yung ilalagay mo 4860 semicolon 4860 semicolon and then 8844 and i-click mo lang dito yung okay mga kaibigan. Alright? And hope na na-resolve yung problem, but if the error is still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to reset network protocol. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to select again on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. So once na open mo na tong administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na IP config space //DNS. So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na IP config, that is one word space //DNS, so one word din yan, and press mo lang yung enter. and successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung NATSH space wensak space reset. So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH space wensak space reset and press mo lang yung enter. And successfully reset the Wensak catalog, and then you must restart their computer in order to complete the reset. So close lang natin tong si MD at dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix LS0005 unable to contact patch server in Epic Games. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.